Hello, everyone, and welcome back. So, today I'm talking about a word which we all have heard so many times, but I want to explain it to you all in details about it. What does it really mean? And what are the techniques we can use in our daily lives to get better results? So, the word is brainstorming. And also, I wanted to discuss with you all is first a big shout out to the people who have been consistently commenting and liking my videos. I am truly grateful for that. And please share it with someone who might need to hear this content today. And also do subscribe and become follower on Instagram and Facebook. I would truly appreciate that. So with that, let's get started. So what is this word brainstorming everybody talks about, right? And do we all know the techniques for it? So the word brainstorming is a group activity technique. It is designed to generate lots of ideas for solution of a problem. The underlying principle is that the greater the number of ideas, so more ideas we can produce, uh, there's a possibility we might get to the solution. So this is just opposite to others. So here we are encouraging people to produce as many ideas they can, right? So what are the four basic rules of brainstorming? Number one is the focus on the quantity. So here the quality takes the backseat, the quantity is good, right? The more ideas you have, it's better going to result. Reserve criticism. So you are not supposed to criticize what the person's idea is. Number three is welcome unusual ideas. So just be comfortable writing whatever comes to your mind. So you don't have to stop yourself. Just write whatever really goes through your mind and on the piece of paper. I'll talk all about that a little later. And the fourth one is combine and improve ideas. And then after that you just have to combine the ideas and then get the best solution for that problem. So make sure that go through all ideas and make sure the meaning of the idea is clear, right? So it could be any kind of ideas, but the meaning should be very clear. So number one technique which I wanted to share it with you all is the free writing. So what is a free writing? Just write down whatever comes to your mind. It's as simple as that. Don't be worried about your style, spelling, grammar, punctuation, and so on and so forth, right? Just write on whatever comes to your mind. That is known as free writing. Number two is nominal group technique, where participants are asked to write their ideas anonymously. You don't have to put your name into it, and just keep it to yourself, and then that can be collected and people can say. So group passing technique, after that we do a group passing technique where you can pass on your ideas without your name, so nobody can judge you, nobody can criticize you, nobody can have their own comments on what your idea is, or nobody can steal your ideas. And then after that, individual brainstorming. This is I would not say a tough one, little difficult one, because it includes like free writing, free speaking, word association, drawing, mind mapping, and all. So you have to do it your own self. So people usually do it for I would say, with their thoughts, when mind mapping technique, I would say. So it's usually a very creative method of brainstorming when you just do it by yourself. So you have to branch it out when you do your mind mapping, what your idea is. And then you can do it with the team mind mapping as well, right? So idea of like everybody is writing down their own points, their own visualization of ideas, and then we're all looking at them at the same time. So I feel that sometimes a lot of good ideas gets disappeared when you're doing mind mapping for a group, right? So try doing it first for yourself and then do it in the group. The question brainstorming is very important technique as well. This process involves brainstorming questions rather than trying to come up with an idea. So it's already, you have an idea, now you brainstorm all the possible questions around it and get the answers. So that's another very powerful technique. So what are the advantages and the disadvantages of brainstorming? So advantages are many ideas can be generated in short period of time, requires few mental material or mental resources. The results can be immediately or possible used in other projects. What are the disadvantages? So shy people can have difficulties in participating in brainstorming sessions, may not be appropriate for some business or international cultures, right? So, those are the kind of, I'll say, disadvantages to the brainstorming. But other than that, it is all good. So next time, whichever technique has been very applicable for your brainstorming right now, you can write it down in the share it with the comments, like which brainstorming technique you really enjoyed. And then thank you for watching me. I'll be back again for such videos, and you all have a wonderful day.